na hakuna ni jukumu la Wakristo wote.
President William Ruto and his China counterpart Xi Jinping are set to meet for the first time in Beijing, China. Ruto, who is in China for a 3-day visit, will be seeking to review the loan terms to Kenya by the Chinese. President Ruto is among the guests invited to mark 10 years of China's Belt and Road Initiative to be held between October 17th and 18th.
President William Ruto on Sunday arrived in China's capital for a 3-day official visit. President Ruto is among the world leaders who will be attending the third Belt and Road Initiative Forum, where he is expected to bolster the bilateral ties between Kenya and China in infrastructural development. Kenya is among the 46 African countries who are signatories to China's Belt Road Initiative, initiated by President Xi Jinping 10 years ago, aimed at penetrating marketplaces and sources of raw materials by constructing roads, railways and ports. Ruto's visit will be the first since he became president last year September, and is expected to meet Xi Jinping for the first time. Other than the emphasis on infrastructural development, President Ruto will be seeking to renegotiate Kenya's loans from China that have largely been geared towards development projects. Ruto has been on the forefront rallying other African states in pushing for reforms on the international financial systems for fair access to resources. In his push, Ruto argues that Kenya and the global south are struggling with liquidity amid growing debt straining the country's ability to fund development projects internally, but depend on loans whose interest rates are higher.
The UN Secretary General himself has said that our continent pay anywhere up to 8 times more than our brothers and sisters elsewhere do. It is only fair that we have a financing mechanism that treats everybody equally. All of us have read about the animal farm, where there are some that are more equal than others. Our position is that we don't live in the animal farm, that we treat each other, and all of us are treated by a financial system equally. And all we are asking, we are not asking for one financial system that favors us. No, we are asking for a financial system that is fair for everybody.
Kenya is a beneficiary of China's Belt and Road Initiative with the Standard Gauge Railway and the Lamu Port projects that escalated the debt situation of Kenya to China. Jeff Kirui, KTN News.
Deputy President Rigathi